The Employment and Labour Relations Court has lifted the suspension of Principal Magistrate Brian Khaemba by Chief Justice David Maraga. Magistrate Khaemba was suspended following his controversial ruling that saw him grant Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu anticipatory bail. While Khaemba has also refuted claims that he had resigned from his position following his abrupt suspension by the CJ. NTV's Zainab Ismail reports.
It is reprieve for Principal Magistrate Brian Khaemba as the Employment and Labour Relations Court Judge Byram Ongaya lifted his indefinite suspension issued by Chief Justice David Maraga. The matter in contention was that ruling in May that granted Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu anticipatory bail. Through his lawyer, Magistrate Khaemba said EACC should have appealed the decision if they felt it was beyond his jurisdiction to make such a ruling. Khaemba said the disciplinary action that had been initiated by the CJ will not go on until either the determination of the petition in court or the proposed mediation has been realized. The Labour and Relations Court has further directed that Khaemba receive half of his pay as opposed to the CJ's directive that had suspended him on no pay. But in a letter addressed to magistrates on Thursday last week, CJ Maraga directed Khaemba to file a response within 14 days, pending which he will remain suspended until his disciplinary case is heard and determined. Khaemba refuted claims that he went to court to exclusively handle the anticipatory bail application for Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu, despite matters set to come up before him having been adjourned following his request for a sick leave. He says there were 3 other matters that he handled that day. However, EACC CEO Twalib Mbarak said Khaemba was on sick of raising questions why he only appeared in court to hear the matter. The anti-graft agency boss claims the magistrate could be having interest in the matter, as there were other judicial officers who would have handled the matter as well. The anticipatory orders came just hours after EACC raided Waititu's homes on suspicion of tender irregularities. Khaemba, however, claims the matter has only been hyped because CJ Maraga has succumbed to demands by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. He has further refuted claims that he had resigned from any of his positions. The magistrate issued a 500,000 shilling anticipatory bail to Governor Waititu, a move that drew widespread criticism as it was viewed as derailing the war on corruption. Zainab Ismail, NTV.